Welcome back to Fact Frenzy. From a chameleon that can't change color to an electric eel that can't live in water, here are 10 animals with weird abilities. Number 10, chameleon. Chameleons are known for their color changing abilities, which they use for camouflage and communication. However, there is one species of chameleon that cannot change color at all. The 11-year-old Jackson's chameleon named Fingers is completely colorblind and has no ability to produce melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color in most animals. Because of this, he has no choice but to live his life as a permanently white chameleon. And while it may seem like a huge disadvantage, being white might actually help him blend in with the snow in his native habitat of Madagascar. 9. Electric eel. Electric eels are famous for their ability to generate electricity, which they use to stun prey and evade predators. But here's a twist. Despite their name, electric eels are actually not even true eels. They're actually a type of knife fish related to the piranha. And despite being called electric, eels have no electrical organs or specialized tissues for generating electricity. Instead, they possess a network of electric organs throughout their body made up of modified muscle cells. This allows them to control the flow of electricity by contracting and relaxing different parts of their body. So next time you hear someone call an electric eel an eel, you can be like, actually, scientifically speaking, they're more closely related to a piranha than an eel. Number 8, goblin shark. Sharks are known for their incredible senses, including their ability to detect the electrical signals emitted by prey. But the goblin shark takes it to a whole new level. This shark possesses an extension of its head known as a proboscis, which it can shoot out to capture prey. But that's not where it gets weird. The goblin shark's proboscis is covered with hundreds of tiny electrical sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow it to sense the electrical fields generated by other animals. These sensors are so sensitive that they can detect the heartbeat of a mouse from miles away. Imagine being able to sense the heartbeat of your dinner from miles away. It would make hunting a lot easier. 7. Tarsiers. Tarsiers are small primates that live in the forests of Southeast Asia. They're known for their big eyes and long fingers, which they use to leap from branch to branch. But there's one tarsier that's breaking the mold. A 2-year-old male tarsier named Tarzan has been observed leaping between branches without using his arms. This is extremely rare behavior for a tarsier and has only been seen in captivity before. It's not quite clear why Tarzan does this, but it could be due to his upbringing in captivity. Perhaps he's simply mimicking the movement of birds that he sees outside his enclosure. 6. Aye. The aye is a strange-looking lemur that lives in the forests of Madagascar. It's known for its large ears, bushy tail, and long, thin middle finger, which it uses to tap on trees to find grubs and larvae. But there's one part of the aye that's even weirder than its middle finger. Its eyes come in 2 different colors, left blue and right green. This is a phenomenon known as heterochromia, which can occur in humans as well. Heterochromia is caused by a difference in pigmentation between the irises of the 2 eyes. And while it's relatively common in humans, it's extremely rare in animals. 5. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is a master of disguise. As its name suggests, it can change the shape of its body and even mimic the behavior of other animals such as sea snakes and lionfish. But it can also mimic the appearance of other animals such as a blue-ringed octopus. And here's the kicker. The mimic octopus doesn't just mimic the appearance of other animals, it also mimics their venom. When threatened, the mimic octopus releases a venomous ink cloud that can paralyze prey. But here's where it gets weird. The mimic octopus can only mimic the venom of animals that it has previously eaten. So if it hasn't eaten a blue-ringed octopus, it can't mimic its venom. Talk about a real-life superpower. Known before, star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is a small mammal that lives in the forests of North America. It's known for its unique star-shaped nose, which is actually a sensory organ. But the mole's nose does more than just smell. It can also detect temperature changes, vibrations, and even the electrical signals emitted by other animals. In fact, the star-nosed mole can sense the electrical signals produced by worms, which it then uses to locate them underground. So basically, the star-nosed mole has built-in metal detection abilities. Number 3, Olm. The olm is a strange-looking amphibian that lives in the caves of Europe. It's known for its pink, translucent skin and its large, bulging eyes. But the most unusual feature of the owl is its ability to survive in complete darkness. In fact, the owl has never been observed to produce any light at any point in its life cycle. Yet it still has fully functioning eyes. It's not clear how the elm sees in the dark, but it could be that it simply doesn't need to see in order to survive. After all, it lives in a cave with no predators or prey to spot. Numero 2, maned wolf. The maned wolf is a strange-looking canid that lives in the grasslands of South America. It's known for its long legs and reddish fur. But the most unusual feature of the maned wolf is its ability to jump 3 meters into the air. That's higher than a basketball hoop. But how does the maned wolf do this? Well, it helps that it has unusually long legs and ankles, but it's unclear why the maned wolf has evolved to be able to jump so high. One theory is that it helps them reach high foliage to eat fruit. Another theory is that it helps them avoid predators. Number 1, cassowary. The cassowary is a large flightless bird that lives in the forests of New Guinea and Australia. It's known for its large size, its 3 toes, and its bright blue neck. But the most unusual feature of the cassowary is its ability to run at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. That's faster than some animals. So why does the cassowary need to be so fast? Well, it could be to catch up to prey or to escape from predators, but it could also be related to its mating display. After all, a fast-running bird is a pretty impressive sight to behold. From a chameleon that can't change color to a bird that can run faster than some animals, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. So what's your favorite strange ability? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you next time.